So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. First of all, let's start the analysis by checking the SGX. So SGX में अगर हम देखें तो एक gap up opening दिख रहा है हमको approximately 50 points का, right? So market is trading near 16,150. Okay. Now let's check the Nifty chart. Okay. Now as we have discussed earlier also yesterday that the market isn't trading in a range, and that again market consolidating yesterday also. So the level remains the same, 16,500 on the higher side and 16,000 on the lower side and 15,700. So these are the levels that we need to look for. If you go and check simply the OI levels are very down, but no clear cycle, but we have seen some shorts coming up in Nifty from past few sessions. Okay, now so we are very close to the expiry for this month expiry, right? So you can see 16,000 is providing a good support. On the higher side, 16,500. On an immediate basis, 16,300 का जो level है, that is a good resistance for a market, right? So इस range के अंदर market trade हो रहा है, and market seems to be consolidating in this range only. Bank Nifty. Okay. So if we see the same happening with the Bank Nifty also, if we just change these levels, so 33,000 on the lower side and 35,000 on the higher side, right? Okay, so this is the level, and you can see the 20 days moving average, the price is also trading below the 20 days moving average, right? So somehow the RSI is also trading near to the oversold levels, right? So probably bit of market seems to be on the lower side using this, but still the major trend seems to be consolidating. Okay, no major trend we can see until unless we see a breakout above 35 or break down below 33. So that's both the indices are consolidating, right? Okay, now let's see the contribution on the index yesterday. So you can see IT providing on the negative side, right? FMCG, private banks and oil are adding on the higher side, but we can see the majority is from the FMCG and IT, right? Okay, now let's try to find some stocks today. Okay, so today we are going to use the trap indicator. Okay, we are not going to go with the built up cycle and those things. We'll try to find some stocks using the trap indicator. So this is a tool which gives you the trap information, that where option sellers are getting trapped. So that gives you a sense कि market में यहाँ पर एक trending move हो सकता है. So market seems to be on the higher side, so we can go and check for some stock like Cipla. We got a trade yesterday. Okay, so Cipla में एक trade मिला है हमको. We can check the Cipla chart. So Cipla is actually showing kind of a call writer trap. So एक buying का trade है यहाँ पर, and stock seems to be fine. 20 days moving average के ऊपर ही trade कर रहा है. We had a breakout and then stock ने थोड़ा dip लिया है, and then again stock seems to be okay. So looks good. If we check why here, so yesterday we had a good long build up coming up. तो ऐसा कोई sign नहीं है यहाँ पर, but still we can see that a good long build up coming up yesterday. Simply अगर हम supply यहाँ पर check करें, so you can see a lot of unwinding happening in the puts. So 940, 950 is a good level on the lower side. Higher side 1000 level का 1000 rupees का level है जहाँ पर एक highest call option build up हो रखा है. तो 980 break करता है, so at least it can move to 1000 level or 1020. On the lower side, 960 is a good support for Cipla, right? Okay, so accordingly we can place. So how do we need to proceed with this trade? At least we need to wait for 920 to see that the supply is still there in the morning trade, right? Okay, so if it is removed from here, so we're not going to take the supply trade anyhow, right? Okay, so wait for that 920 and see that if the stock is still trading in that range, so आपको just like within 1%, so go and take a trade. If there's a gap up or gap down, then ignore the trade, right? So that's on the higher side. We can go with About India, but again this stock seems to be a bit illiquid, right? So ignoring the fact, so 24th का ही check करना है बस. So 24th पे हमको ये stocks मिले हैं, and so PVR seems to be okay. So let's see PVR on the short side. Okay, so PVR में एक अच्छा breakdown आया है यहाँ पर. So Again the consolidation range. Okay, so 1700 का level होगा इसमें definitely. Let's see PVR. Okay, so PVR, yes, PVR ने breakdown दिया है, short के साथ अच्छा short आया है यहाँ पर. Okay, and simply if we check, so okay, PVR में 1700 का level था जो break हो चुका है. You can simply see there are a lot of unwinding happening. तो यहाँ से breakdown करेगा तो 1600 तक stock गिर सकता है. Anyhow 1750 would be a good resistance on this chart, right? Okay. So this stocks looks weak. Okay, so trap indicator के through we have find two trades, specifically एक आपका सिप्ला which is long. Okay, and second is PVR which is on the short side. So अगर gap down 1.5% या 2% से ज्यादा होता है तो trade नहीं लेना है. Still we can look for this. Okay, so and again wait for 920. If these stocks are not there, then we'll look for some trades, right? Okay, and again that's kind of a not an advisory call. Okay, and this is just a recommendation that, okay, you know, these are the signals that can be generated, that can be taken with the consultation of your you know, advisor, and plus you can simply do the due diligence and, you know, see the other data to confirm that and accordingly place the trades. Okay, ban list is only one stock, India Bulls Housing Finance, as of now. Okay, so that's it. So as we have seen, the Nifty range is, it's you know, 16,500 and 16,000. Okay, so that's the range. Okay, and for Bank Nifty 35 and 33, that is the range. Okay, so both the indices are consolidating, no clear trend. Stock that we have found is Cipla and PVR. So Cipla is on the long side, PVR on the long short side. 1700, below 1700 the stock look weak, and again it can crash to 1600. That's PVR. And on the ban list, the India Bulls Housing Finance, the last stock that is okay, very near to the expiry, so probably the only one stock. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.